Hi guys, here we've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint on this device. At first, reach Settings, then find and select Biometrics and Password, and click on Fingerprint ID. At first, you need to set some PIN code or password to your screen lock. That will be the backup to your fingerprint. And now you can smoothly add fingerprint ID to unlock device. So all you have to do is to place your fingerprint on the sensor right here and keep tapping till it's fully added. And that's it now, just tap on OK. And from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So this is how it works. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.